going to discuss the Juvenile Justice Welfare Act or RA 9344 and Prevention Act of United States of America from juvenile delinquency, their similarities and also their differences. So what is RA 9344? This act should be known as the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006. It should cover the different stages involving children at risk and children in conflict with the law from prevention to rehabilitation and reintegration. The Juvenile Justice and Delinquency Prevention Act or JJDPA of 1974 is the primary federal law aimed at preventing juvenile delinquency in the United States. This comprehensive legislation provides formula grants to states that adhere to specific federal protections for youth in the juvenile justice and criminal justice system. Rehabilitation over punishment. Both laws prioritize rehabilitation and restorative justice over punishment for juvenile offenders. RA 9344 focuses on creating a child-friendly justice system, while JJDPA aims to provide community-based alternatives to incarceration. Protection of juvenile rights. Both laws emphasize protecting the rights and welfare of children in conflict with the law. RA 9344 mandates the adoption of the principle of restorative justice, prohibiting the detention of children in jails. First is the age considerations. Minimum age. RA 9344 considers children below 15 years old as exempt from criminal liability, while JJDPA focuses on youth under 18 years old. Age of criminal responsibility. In Philippines, 15 to 18 years old can be held criminally liable. In US, varies by state, typically 10 to 17 years old. Next, judicial process. Juvenile court proceedings. RA 9344 established specialized juvenile courts, while JJDPA requires separate judicial proceedings for juveniles. When it comes to trial procedures, Philippine law emphasizes informal hearings, while US law allows for formal trials. So these differences reflect variations in legal frameworks, cultural contexts, and juvenile justice priorities between the two countries. And this will be the end of my discussion about Juvenile Justice Welfare Act or RA 9344 and Prevention Program of United States of America for Juvenile Delinquency. Thank you.